You are uploading shorts but you keep getting 0 views and don't know how to fix this. I did a lot of research trying to resolve the issue, and here are the best conclusions and solutions I have found until this moment. It seems to be an algorithm problem. At first, you probably got some reach, but then suddenly you got 0 views or very few views. That are probably yours or your subscribers if they have the bell notifications turned on. Sometimes, even if notifications are turned on, people still don't get to see that you posted a new video. The first solution that I found right here on YouTube is that you need to re-upload your video. The steps are: number 1, make your video unlisted. Step number 2, re-upload your video publicly while changing your title and the description. These should give the video another try. So, I did this. Out of the first 3 tries, one video managed to get a modest amount of reach, maybe 15% out of what other videos like it made before. At first, I thought that maybe the video wasn't as good as the others, but then I got to do it again with other videos and it stopped working. I got back in trying to figure out what I was doing wrong, meanwhile continuing to re-upload other videos that were getting no reach at all or almost no reach. After a week, all of my long and short content got 0 reach, even the ones that were usually getting 10 to 50 views a day. Most likely the algorithm thought that I was spamming worthless videos trying to get more reach when I was just trying to get them viewed by anyone. Final thoughts on this method? Just don't try it, or if you do, maybe re-upload a video once and stop doing that for a longer time while, unless you want to get shadow banned. The second solution came from Reddit. Basically, some users were saying that you need to delete your posts that don't get views and re-upload, but only do it once every 24 hours or it will be considered spam and it won't get any attention. This method is similar to the first one and it did work better for me on my second channel, but in the end, it still felt like I was shadow banned for both long and short content for several days until I posted new, fresh content. The third solution implied that you have to create better content, saying that your videos had problems like time of posting. The timing of your post could have an impact on the number of views you get. If you post during a time when your target audience is not active on the platform, your short may not receive as many views. Content quality. The quality of the content you posted could also be a reason why it's not receiving any views. If the content is not engaging or interesting, people may not watch it or share it with others. Audience targeting. It's possible that the content you created is not resonating with your target audience. You may need to reevaluate who your target audience is and create content that appeals to them. Competition. There could be other creators who are posting similar content to yours, which could make it more challenging for your content to be seen. YouTube algorithm. YouTube's algorithm determines which videos are shown to users based on a variety of factors, including watch time, engagement, and relevancy. If your video doesn't meet the algorithm's criteria, it may not be recommended to users. If you are getting some impression, this might work for you and are all good tips. However, I feel that if you have 0 views, how does making more quality content get you better reach? Your click rate is 0 and your view duration is also 0 because your videos/shorts are never shown to anybody, therefore making better content won't help you. I saw a lot of videos coming from big channels and most of them seem to not understand the 0 impressions problem. Since the YouTube algorithm favors well-established creators who keep people on the platform, they always get enough reach for the algorithm to decide if it wants to push or not to push their short/videos. I think that we will get answers only from YouTube's developer team. Did you find anything that seems to work? Please let us know. Meanwhile, I will continue to gather facts and I will come back as soon as I find answers. Stay tuned and stay focused. Don't give up on your dream to become a content creator just yet. This will be figured out.